Have you ever come away from a time in retreat feeling more like yourself, more open, rested, just connected? That's the feeling I'm inviting you into with Mantra for Empowered Choice, my Mantra in May group gathering. I love mantra. I've been teaching mind body nutrition for over 20 years, and mantra is some of my favorite work. So, this is a 6-week online experience for wise women and men who are looking for a gentle yet impactful way to support real change in their lives, whether that's eating better, moving a little more, managing stress, or just making choices that feel more aligned with who you are and who you want to be. So beginning May 6th through June 10th, 2026, we'll gather online every Wednesday from 6:15 to 7:30 Eastern Time for personal mantra practice. I'll teach you a collection of mantras that are easy to use and easy to remember and fun. Mantra is a meditative practice of sound, breath, and intention. Over time and with practice, it really becomes a deeply nourishing personal practice. It helps quiet the noise, strengthens your energy, and helps you reconnect with what matters most to you. So, in this program, we blend tantric and yogic wisdom with modern science of change. And that creates a space that's both really practical and touches into spirit. What I love most about the kind of people that this practice seems to call in. I love gathering. I just came from a gathering that was so sweet and filled with conscious, gentle, reflective souls drawn to inner work and people who are interested in living a little more um, intentional life. If that speaks to you, I hope you'll join us. Namaste.